You just watched an AI create, list, and complete a task without a single touch by the user to the app. Let me show you exactly what happened under the hood. Every app, no matter how simple or complex, is built from four things: a user, a UI they interact with, a server that runs the logic, and the database that holds the data. They communicate in one way. The UI sends a request, the server processes it, sends a response back. That's the heartbeat of every app ever built. This is the app you just saw. Angular on the front, Spring Boot handles the logic, PostgreSQL storing the task. Simple stack, clean separation. User types buy grocery into the title, adds a description, and hits add task. Simple action. But watch what that one click actually triggers. The moment the button is clicked, Angular doesn't just update the screen. It prepares an HTTP POST request and fires it to POST API task endpoint. Inside that request, the user ID, the title, and the description all packaged up and sent to the server. The server receives it, and task controller is the first one to catch it. It checks the request is valid, passes it down to the task service to do the actual work. Task service tells the database, write this, and PostgreSQL does exactly that. Insert into the task table with these data, and the row is committed. The tasks now exist permanently within the database. One button click, one endpoint called, one controller, one database write. That's the entire journey. Angular to Spring Boot to PostgreSQL in under 1 second. This is the usual flow. And this is how every app exists in the world right now. Now, what if you wanted to make it smarter? Our first instinct would be go into the backend, add some logic, AI logic, new endpoints, new controllers, new everything. But don't. Your backend logic is the result of years of decision making. Your database is where your real data lives. That's your money. You don't gamble with your money. So the question is, how do you make an app intelligent without touching the backend, without opening a single file in Spring Boot, or without changing one line in your database? The answer has a name. And in the next video, I'm going to introduce you the most interesting component I have ever added to an app. Same post request, same controllers, same database write, but no buttons, no forms, just a conversation with someone. And that's next. And the link is right there.